How to redeem 2500 Sephora points. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem 2500 Sephora points. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Sephora.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in by entering your login credentials. And now, in order to redeem your 2500 Sephora points, you will need to have a few items in your cart, regardless of how costly the item is. Once you have added a few items on your cart, go to the checkout page by tapping on the View Basket button you see there. In here, you will see a text box for promo or reward code. Go ahead and enter your redemption code in there and tap on the checkout button. If you entered the correct redemption code, then your code will be redeemed successfully. So, this is how you can redeem 2500 Sephora points. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorial. See you on the next one.